students, today I am going to teach you the fourth semester, fourth module, that is curve fitting and statistical methods. The first point is curve fitting by the method of least square fitting the curves of the form y is equal to ax plus b. This is first form. Second form is y is equal to ax raised to b, second form, and y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is the three curves are there. This is the curve fitting. So out of these three, one or two questions are fixed in your examination. And the second point is correlation, curl Pearson's coefficient of correlation and rank correlations without repetition and problems, regression analysis, lines of regressions problems. So these are the second points are there. So only this model is only these 2 points. So let us start with the first point, curve fitting by the method of least square fitting the curve. So here 3 curves are there, y is equal to ax plus b and y is equal to a into x raised to b, and last one is a y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c form. So let us start with this one. This is curve fitting least square method. So it means what? The curve fitting is the process of finding the curves that best approximates a set of points from within a set of values. It is method of finding equation of curves that approximates a given set of data. The first one means first curve is fitting of a straight line. Y is equal to x plus b is a straight line, that is fitting of a straight line y is equal to ax plus b. For a given set of n data points, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3, x4 comma y4, like that up to so on xn comma y1, assume that the straight line y is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are parameters to be determined by using the equations. So in this equation we have to find a and b value. So using these 2 equations, that is ax plus nb is equal to y, ax square plus bx plus ax square plus bx is equal to xy. So it means what? A into summation of x, n into b is equal to summation of y. Here x and y values are given. Just we can sum of the x value, that is summation of x, sum of the y value, that is the summation of y, and x square, the x values are there, just we can square it, that is summation of x square, and summation of x again we can use here is equal to summation of xy. So these formulas are there. Just x and y values are given, just we have to find x square and xy using any simple mathematics. Using that best we can using this type of columns. So this is the column x square and xy. So you find these 2 values and substitute the value and simplify. These equations are called normal equation for fitting the straight line. By solving these we obtain the values of a and b. Similarly, if the straight line is in the form of y is equal to a plus bx, and first one is ax plus b and this is a plus bx. So these 2 forms are there. Ax plus b is there, we can apply, these are the normal equations, and a plus bx is there. The normal equations becomes n a plus bx is equal to y. It means n a plus b into summation of x is equal to summation of y, and a into summation of x plus b into summation of x square is equal to summation of xy. So these are the equations, normal equations. So remember these 2 forms. Then working rule is we first write down the normal equations to the curve of fit, prepare the table and find the value of summation in normal equations, substitute these values at a system of equations in the unknown parameters. We find the parameters by solving and substitute in the given equations, then we can simplify. So this is the problem is there. So first problem is here, fit a straight line y is equal to ax plus b for the following data, that is x and y values are there. So first x values are given 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11 and 14 given, and y values are 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 6, 4, 8, 5, 9, 7, 11, 8 and 14, 9. So these values are the given. Just we have to find the straight line of this following data. Just using the normal equation, we have to find a and b value. The normal equation of the fitting the straight line, y is equal to ax plus b, and summation of y is equal to, these are the normal equations, summation of y is equal to a into summation of x plus nb, summation of xy is equal to a into summation of x square plus b into summation of x. Here n is equal to 8. How you can sum n is equal means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, means x values are 8 values are there, therefore n is equal to 8. So these are normal equation using n is equal to 8 in the normal equation. The relevant table is, the relevant table means x and y is given, x value you can write, y value. So we need here summation of xy and summation of x square. So first we have to find x square and xy, these two, xy and x square, we have to need these two values. Just we can write xy means multiply these two, x square means square these terms, then add these all the table. Now for all the 4 columns are we can add, so we get these 4 values. So using these equations in the normal equation, this is 40, means summation of y is equal to a into summation of x plus n into b. The equation, what is summation of y is 40, a into summation of x is 56, n is 8 into b, and summation of xy 364 is equal to summation of x square into a 524 into a plus summation of x into b 56 into b. So these are the equations are there. Then using solving these two equations, so you can solve manually or by calculator, any method you have to solve these two equations. We get a value and b value. A is 0.64 and b is 0.55. So therefore thus by the substitute this value y is equal to x plus b, we get y is equal to 0.64x plus 0.55. So this is first example, and similarly this is also second is also same is the just values are